Assalamu alaikum class. Today we are going to perform one experiment just to see the different changes which occur. Let's suppose the first one is boiling, fine, and then evaporation, condensation. So in this experiment we will take a beaker half filled with water, Bunsen burner. This one is Bunsen burner. Obviously we need the match box, and then this is like the tripod stand, and this one is the wire gauze. So what we will do, firstly we will just on the Bunsen burner, and we will put the beaker just for the heating. As you can see, we have started the boiling. So firstly the process will be called as evaporation. The water will start to convert into the vapors, and then its boiling point will come. So we will see both evaporation and boiling. So this is the process. As you can see, like the vapor starts to arise. So this is the process or the point which comes before the boiling point. Like the heating process is going on, but as you can see the vapors on like on the top of this beaker. This process is called as evaporation. Evaporation is the process which comes before boiling, or the evaporation point comes before boiling point. Whenever you will heat any liquid and it starts to convert into vapors is called evaporation. As you can see on the sides of the beaker, the vapors are forming. The process of evaporation is still going on till the boiling point will reach. As you can see, the water starts to boil. It started to convert into the bubbles. So this is where the boiling point of the water has reached. Now the whole liquid will turn into the bubbles, and this point will be called as the boiling point. Now the boiling point has reached. The next process is called as the condensation. The process is where the vapors, as you can see the lid on the top of this beaker, so we will just see the lid. Now the water, which the vapors you can see on this lid, and now it's again started to condense and converted into again water. Now the vapors which were basically on this lid is again condensing and converting into water. So the process where the vapors again condensed and convert into water is called as condensation. So we will say it again. As you can see, again the vapors collected on the lid will be again converted into water. So this process is called as like the cooling, where the vapors we are giving them the lower temperature to the vapors, and vapor again converting into the water. But these all processes like the melting and the boiling, where we are giving them heat, called as exothermic reactions. Water will gain heat and convert into the vapor form, and then after vapor it will convert into the like will change to vapors form. The process where the whole liquid will turn into the bubble called as the boiling point. So this is all about evaporation, boiling and condensation.